Hello there, and welcome to the science course. My name is Amanda, and I will be your instructor for this course. I wanted to show you how to set up a notebook if you want to follow along with what I'm doing. I strongly encourage you to use a 3-ring binder. You can use a spiral bound. I'm using this one because it's a digital version, but if I were doing this for actual learning, I would use a 3-ring binder. And you will need 6 sections in your notebook. The first one is where you will keep the text that your teacher gave to you. You can also view this text online using the links in the course platform. So you can see that I have my text material in this section. So section 1 will be for text. This is the reading material. And you can make tabs with just Scotch tape and a little bit of paper. Just write the word text on there, stick that tab on the first page of your text, and you'll have that section ready to go. The second section is the study section. And in this one, each of our lessons has 1 or 2, maybe 3 or 4 focus questions, and we will be putting those into this part of the notebook. So just make a section of blank paper for your study questions. The Geos, these are graphic organizers. These are the memory pieces that you will get from your teacher, and you'll just cut those out, and I'll show you how to assemble them as we move through the course. In the writing section, we will be doing writing practice to help you learn how to do composition correctly. We'll also focus on some English grammar rules in this section. I'm trying to put as much stuff into this course as I can. Even though it's a science course, we can learn lots of things while learning science. The vocabulary section is where we will list all of our new definitions. I will be using the sticky note method to do this, but you can make your flashcards with anything you want to use. You don't even have to make flashcards, but I would strongly encourage you to do that because then you can practice every day. When I was in college, I put my flashcards in my purse, and whenever I sat down to eat lunch or whatever, I took a break, I was going over my flashcards, and it really helped me a lot. But you can use index cards for those. You don't have to use post-it notes. Or if you just want to write your definitions in your notebook, that is fine as well. It's entirely up to you. The last section is the word parts section. And in this section, we will be using prefixes, suffixes, and roots to break down some of the science vocabulary. So I did make a separate section for that. And that's all. We're just basically using the materials that your teacher has given you, and then some blank notebook paper will be just fine. I do encourage you to have some highlighters or some colored pens and pencils. I will be using that to annotate as I read the material. So I think if you have those handy, it will be very helpful to you. You could even use some of your child's old markers. Anything that color codes would be helpful. Okay, I will see you very soon for our first lesson. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.